So here we're now unboxing the Casekoo orange case, as you can see just there. Magic stand and lovely presentation as always. There a bit more about the back. So let's go and take a look and see what comes in it. So here is the packaging. Now I love the Magic stand as well. Now this is the patented technology which you're going to have a look at. So a bit more about it just there. So there it is. So now look to start with at that color. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I love the orange look. And you can see very high quality there as well. You've got some lovely stickers there as well, which are really cool if you want to add it, and a bit more about how it works there, including seller-certified military drop protection and your halo magnetic case, and as well as its magnet on the back too. So if we get the iPhone 17 and actually plug it in and have a look. So start with, look at how well it sits there on the screen. So you can see how the case sits just outside the phone. So that gives you protection if you were to drop it or anything was to happen. And we have a look at the back there. As you can see, look how well it covers the lens. So you see it's got the slight dip there as well. It's covering the lens, so lens actually sit below it, which is great. Again, you've got the button there, charger, and charger ports in there as well. But where this really sits out is the Magic stand. Now, if you open up like that, now as you can see, it moves all the way there and moves all the way there. So you've got basically, movement in all cases. So what this means is you can stand your phone up any way, and it's very secure. So if we put it down, for example, you can sit it up just like that. You can put it on the angle. That's great, so you can watch it wherever you are. I even use this on a airport rest as well to sit it on. And you can put it like that. So many different ways of doing it. And it's very solid as well, so even that way if you want. So the Magic stand is absolutely fantastic. And I love how it just sits flush like that. Very easy to use and very good protection. So fantastic stand and case.